Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet one of these tall, skinny can koozies. Now, these are very easy to make, and they don't take a lot of time. Now, if you were having a 4th of July party, for instance, you could make several of these and hand them out to your guests that drink White Claws, or, these I believe are Trulies. These are the Truly strawberry tea. These are very good. If you're into the seltzers, I really like the tea, the Truly tea. And this is just the regular mango lemonade. And then I really like the margarita assortment that they have. So these are super easy and quick to make, and they only need a few supplies. So let me just go over that real quick. You'll need a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and some cotton yarn. I love this bowl that my husband got me, and if you like it too, I'll go ahead and link it down below. It's really pretty, and I like it because it's nice and big. And this yarn here, I actually dyed last year with my daughter. We did some tie-dyeing yarn, and this is just some cotton yarn, and it's got some sparkles in it. So I thought that would look really pretty, especially if you had, like a strawberry drink in there. Now this black one, I added some silver studs on it just to give it a completely different look. And I'm finding that the stronger kitchen cotton, like the thicker, the cheaper cotton, tends to work better for these than, like, say, I love this cotton. I made one of these with I love this cotton, and it works pretty good, but it does seem to stretch out and get a little bit looser than your basic kitchen cotton. So I just wanted to let you know that, but they do both work. Just make sure that you use cotton because acrylic won't absorb any moisture or condensation that you get on your cans. So with that being said, let's get started with our tutorial. So the first thing you'll do is start off with a slip knot. And then you're going to chain 4. And then you're going to go ahead and slide your hook into the first stitch to make a ring. Pull it tight here. And now you see that there's a little ring in the middle. And in that ring, we are going to place 9 half double crochets. And so to do that, you will wrap it around your hook, stick your hook in the center of the ring, pull around, bring your yarn through like that, wrap your yarn around, and then just pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And then we will do that 8 more times. Okay, I've got my 8 half doubles. Let's do the 9th one. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the top of the first half double. Just like that. And now you have your ring. And then you're going to chain 2. And now we're going to put 2 half doubles in each stitch. So then you should end up with 18 half double stitches. Okay, now let's do 2 half doubles in each stitch. So we're going to go around, pull it through, wrap it around, and pull it through all 3 loops. Go back into that same stitch, and we will do that again. And we just keep going around until we have 2 stitches in each stitch. These are very fun to make. They're great gifts too if you are giving like a gift basket or something to somebody and you wanted to throw that in there. These are also great for craft shows. These are easy craft show projects. So I'll meet you back when I get all the way around. Okay, now we've got all of our 18 stitches around the base, and we will slip stitch it to the top. And then we're going to chain 2. So now we're just going to place 1 half double in each stitch all the way around. And we will continue doing that until our piece is 5 inches long, and then it will fit on your can. So this, by the time you keep going around, it fits very nice on the bottom of the can. But if you have, say, a larger can, like say a Coke can, you want to make these for a Coke can, all you have to do is just make the base the size of the bottom of the can, and you'll just keep increasing until it's the size of the bottom of the can. Once you get your base to the size of the can, then you just will do 1 stitch in each stitch all the way up until it reaches right underneath the top of the can. So we're just going to keep going through and keep going around and around, half double crochets with a chain 2 after each row until our piece is 5 inches long. So here I am, I'm just continuing around, and as you can see, it's starting to grow and turn into a little coolie. And we're just going to keep going around here until it gets long enough to fit the can. Now I know like some people like to drink the monster drinks, and those are a lot bigger. They're a lot taller. Maybe I think they're a little bit wider. You could totally customize it for the shape of your drink. And these are really nice to keep them dry. It absorbs all that extra moisture that you get on the outside of the can. So here is our coolie so far. I'll be back when I'm finished. So now I've completed my 5 inches, and I'm just about done here with this last row. And it's going to be 13 rows if you were interested. That makes it about 5 inches long. And that's perfect to fit on your can. So we're just going to finish this up here. So now we're just going to slip stitch it to the top. And then we will go ahead and close it off. And then you'll want to weave in your ends. We can do that later. I just wanted to show you. Now you want to turn it inside out to get the right side out. And let's see if it fits into our can. I just think these are so cute. And they're nice because you can wash them really easily. See, there you go. Isn't that nice? It works great. I love the different variations. You can make all kinds of different styles, and it's super easy. Simple gift, great craft show idea, and you don't need a lot of supplies, and it's very inexpensive to make because you can buy cotton yarn really cheap. So if you have any cotton yarn left over from making washcloths, you can always use it to make some of these can coolies. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to check out my crochet project planners at CROJOCorner.com. Have a great day, everyone. Bye! If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Laura. Check it out, I have a new Patreon tier for only $2 a month. Go to patreon.com/Crojo Corner. If you have trouble sleeping, check out my new channel, Soul Candy Cafe, rain sounds and meditation music to help you sleep.